New in Stella 3.7.2 is the ability to set a window of time for a graph that shows the window of time between the current time set in the run toolbar, which is the end time, and a certain number of time units before that, which we can set for the individual graph. So if I run this model, and for this graph, I go to the Graph Settings Properties panel, you'll see here that I can set a window of time units from the end. So this graph runs from 0 to 15 right now. And if I set, say, 5, you'll see that the graph still ends at 15, but it begins 5 units back from 15, aka 10. And I can change this, say, to 10, and now it will begin at 5. The other thing that I can do with this is use it to show the window of time dynamically as the model runs or as I change the position of the run toolbar. So say I put this back to 5 and I run the model again. You'll see that it's showing 5 units back from the end time, which is 15. And as I drag this slider, the window moves. So as I move the slider back to, say, about 11 units, you'll see that the end time is 11 units and the beginning time is about 6 units, or in other words, 5 units back from the end.